Vinyl sheet flooring offers a practical and affordable solution for homes and businesses. This flooring comes in one seamless piece, creating a smooth, continuous surface across your space. The material consists of multiple layers, including a protective wear layer on top that guards against damage. You can find vinyl sheet flooring in countless designs that replicate the look of natural wood, stone, and tile. The water-resistant properties make this flooring perfect for moisture-prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Water simply sits on the surface rather than seeping through and causing damage underneath. Maintenance is straightforward. Regular sweeping and occasional mopping keep the floors looking clean. The durability means these floors stand up to heavy foot traffic without showing significant wear. Two main types exist: heterogeneous and homogeneous vinyl. Heterogeneous vinyl features multiple layers and provides the widest range of design options. Homogeneous vinyl uses a single layer throughout, making it extremely durable and ideal for the busiest commercial spaces. Residential vinyl prioritizes comfort and style. The material feels soft underfoot, making it pleasant for living areas and bedrooms. Homeowners appreciate the variety of designs that match any decor style, from modern to traditional. The surface resists scratches, dents, and stains that come with everyday family life. Commercial vinyl sheet flooring handles the demands of high-traffic environments. Enhanced protective layers offer superior resistance to scratches and stains. Safety features include slip-resistant surfaces that reduce accidents in busy areas. The design flexibility allows businesses to maintain professional aesthetics while meeting practical needs. Installation goes quickly compared to other flooring types. The large sheets mean fewer seams, which enhances the water-resistant properties and creates a cleaner appearance. Professional installers ensure precise fitting for optimal performance and longevity. The installation team offers free consultations and estimates. They provide in-studio visits, in-home appointments, and virtual consultations to accommodate different preferences and schedules.